All right. So we're at the end, almost the end of the day of Connector Day 2 today. And now, just to kind of, shrug everything off a little bit, I would request my lovely choice colleagues to play some music, and we will go back to the mural board, where just like yesterday, we're going to do a short reflection. Firstly, an individual reflection. So as you can see already on the mural, we have we are on planet Unganisha Kutenda, so that's a quick reminder. And so I would like for you to reflect on any feedback that you have for us on today's session. Was there something you really, really liked? Is there something that you would have liked us to do differently? So feel free to put that in the first box, and then think about something that you would take back to planet Earth at the end of Connector Week. What is it that was the biggest lesson that you learned from today, or which was the biggest takeaway that you take from today's sessions? So we're just going to take a few more minutes. You can also go grab some tea and just, yeah, take some time and listen to the good music and film in your out. We will share access to the Spotify playlist as well, so that all of you can access it and listen to the amazing music you've all actually been feeding into. Can you stop screen share for just a second? And please keep your reflections coming in. The mural is always going to be open, so you can keep feeding in, keep adding to it, and share your feedback and reflections with us. I just want to thank all of you for such an amazing day that we've had so far. Just to quickly recap, yesterday we started with the Inspiration Day, so we were on Planet Shorishi. Today we've ended our journey to planet. I always find it a little tricky to say, huh? Unganisha Kutenda, which is indeed the planet where we connected and connected how. We also hopefully acted on it, and we hope to see you submitting your seed drum proposal soon. Very kind reminder that tomorrow we are going to go to another planet. And this is going to be planet Sepanui. This means French for flourish. And this is going to be a space and a planet where you are going to be engaging in a lot of other capacity strengthening sessions. So we have some amazing sessions planned for you tomorrow as well. We have a session on youth leadership. We have a session on meaningful youth participation. We have a session on digital communities and how to build digital communities. So lots more on the agenda. We really encourage you to check out the Connector Week website, the amazing Connector Week website, which also has all the information, the seed grants, but also the agendas. And we will also be posting the recordings of all these sessions on there soon. So thank you for hanging out with us so far. Before we leave, I just want to do a quick checkout with you and share one last presentation. So of course, because we cannot talk about space without a Star Wars reference. So I have this Baby Yoda scale for you. And I would love for you to put in the chat, on a scale of Baby Yoda, how are you feeling after today's session? So feel free to put your corresponding number in the chat. I'm hoping there's a lot of Baby Yoda fans in this group. But yeah, let us know, how are you feeling? 8. Oh, that's a curious Baby Yoda. A lot of 2s and 7s. Yes. I see an 8 as well. Amazing. I feel like a 9, I think. Very giddy and happy. Kara says leadership is going to be a 4. I hear you. I think that's going to be a lot of us, especially our Indonesian colleagues and our colleagues in Nepal. I think it's getting pretty late for them. It's getting too hot, so getting to a 4 as well. I see Priska. There's an 8, lots of 8s and 2s coming in, which is great, and 9s as well. Amazing. Lovely, keep on pouring. Well, I'm glad no one's a 1, so I think that's good news for all of us. Amazing. Super. Well, thank you so much. I'm not going to take any more of your time, but I really, really hope to see all of you back here tomorrow with an amazing set of new sessions and another opportunity to connect with each other. So thank you all, and have a great evening or afternoon or a good night. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you. See
and
you
thank
soon.
you, Pragya.
Thanks, Garrison Hooley.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Or doei, as they say in the Netherlands.